Automated industrial motion. AIM manufactures spring coiling equipment for many different industries and a vast variety of applications. Today, we will take a closer look at our AIM 1000 6-axis CNC coiler that produces finished coils for high-power resistors and load banks. Coils are made from heater element wire, which turns red when electrical current is applied. Common materials for these types of coils are nichrome, iron chrome, aluminum, copper nickel, and nickel iron. Industries and markets utilizing this technology include consumer products such as hair dryers, electrical heaters, kilns, medical devices, and a host of other products and appliances. Historically, heater element coils have been manufactured on mechanical coiling equipment such as SA Platt coilers, which were developed back in the 1950s. The drawback is there are several by-hand steps required after running through the machine to complete every single finished coil. With the AIM 1000 CNC coiler, raw material is fed in and a completely finished product is exported out. No extra steps or handling required. Coil spacing is pitched in process, while end tails and loops are produced automatically. Producing coils complete is very beneficial from a labor productivity and quality standpoint. In addition, AIM coilers feature resistance measurement with automatic compensation and barcode reading for convenient production control. AIM's unique cassette tooling allows for quick and consistent changeouts whenever needed. Tooling is designed using SolidWorks 3D modeling software and is built using state-of-the-art CAD/CAM software and CNC machining technologies. Tooling is delivered in organized totes with corresponding written setup procedures and drawings. The need for extremely skilled setup and operator personnel is diminished using AIM's standardized tooling approach. Over the past 35 years, AIM has built a reputation for developing and delivering highly advanced coiling and wire forming solutions. So get on board and really compete in today's highly competitive manufacturing environment. Give us a call and let us streamline your most complex wire forming applications today.